Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and hey, this is the quick look at the new Opera web browser version 55, released today, August 16th, 2018. And we're going to talk a little bit about what's new. So of course, Opera is one of the web browsers that you can download and install on your system based on a on Chromium. And of course, Opera 55 is based on the latest version of Chromium 68. And, well, they've made some changes, a little bit of changes in here. So, some of them, first of all, a dark theme. So if you look here in the settings and everywhere, you can see that this is now a dark themed operating, or browser, sorry. You can actually enable the dark theme in the appearance and the basic settings menu. So this is one of the nice features of the dark themed, but it's inconsistent. Some of the things that pop up I would like to have dark but are not, which is kind of weird, but you know, the overall layout and changes are nice. So dark theme support. Also, there's of course new privacy and security features with WebRTC, and a lot of little changes, which includes changes in Opera's VPN. There's battery saver mode and so on, which is interesting. And of course, you have more security and protection, including when you visit web pages, more info on each website, and you of course now have site settings where you can actually change all sorts of features in these settings for location and so on, things that are more complete into whatever you want to do. There's also an improved settings page. So now you have basic, it's like 4 categories. In the advanced, you have privacy and security, features, and browser. You kind of redone the settings to try to make it better and easier to use. By default, the bookmark bar that you see at the top is enabled, where it was before disabled. I will not use it, so I will actually remove it here, but it's enabled by default now if you need to have stuff. Installing Chrome extensions is easier than ever. They've kind of improved that to make it a little better. And finally, well, the settings and the browser itself has a lot of security updates, because updating to the Chromium 68 meant it also updated some of the security settings and the security aspect of the browser. So if you have Chrome Opera 54, update to Opera 55, at least for the security aspect of it. If you don't know how you do that, you simply go to the upper left corner and click on the customize button of Opera. Just go into update and recovery, and simply click the update button. If you're at version 54 or less, you'll be sent to this version 55 of the Opera browser. Apart from that, it is a nice browser. It works very, very well. All the websites that I go to are working great and show up pretty good. So it's kind of nice, and works really, really well, honestly. So just check it out if you like Opera. Of course, it's a nice browser. Supports VPN, supports ad blocking automatically within the browser. All sorts of things that might be useful for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.